and light, meaning love, and that you can call it darkness or negativity, badass, whatever you want to call it. You can integrate them both and love even more. It shows that you are able to pull yourself out of a hell and still be kind through all of that. That is a gift to the world. That is a gift to the world to understand what others have gone through. I used to look at me, my mom was an alcoholic, so we moved around a lot. And I used to look at living with my dad, then my mom, then my grandma, then my dad, then my mom, then my grandma. I used to look at it as a negative because I think I went to like 10 or 11 schools by the time I was done with college. And I was always moving every year, all these different places in PA, always, never in the same school for more than 2 or 3 years, except in high school for my 4 years. When I looked at it then, I was always like, I never have any real friends anywhere, and I'm always in different groups of people. And both I love that about myself. I love that. I am the best version of me because of that. I've learned that I am everyone. Everyone is me in a different body. If I walked in your shoes, I would be you. You would be me if you walked in my shoes. We are all experiencing this human experience, and I love it. I love that I went to all those different schools. I know everyone from poor people to rich people